Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use water lock and eject water on Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. To enable water lock, you're gonna have to swipe down Quick Settings on your watch, then swipe to the second page and tap on this icon. It will immediately enable the water lock that prevents your device from interacting with water when you are in a swimming pool or in a sea or an ocean, a river, lake, or basically in the water. So if you want to disable the water lock, you're gonna have to hold down the home button for 2 seconds. This will play a sound that is supposed to clean your device's speaker from water, and after that you also have to shake it a little bit to eject the rest of the water drops from your watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.